Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Agushi. Today I'm here to share with you how I make this delicious Agushi stew. So guys, don't forget to support your girl by subscribing and liking the video please. Okay, let's get started. So I have my pot on fire. I add some oil and I add some salted fish, and then I pour my chopped onion inside, and I'm stirring it. I'll fry this like 2 minutes. Then I will introduce my blended seasoning, onion, ginger, garlic, pepper. Then I'll fry it like 5 minutes. So guys, this is my agushi. I buy it. I will blend it myself in the house because I don't like buying the one they blend already. Do you like blending it yourself or you buy the blended one at the market? So guys, now is the pepper is ready. I'm adding my fresh tomatoes. So I'll stir it and cover it to cook like 5 to 7 minutes. So 7 minutes later, this is how it look like. Now it's time for me to season it with my seasoning. I am using complex seasoning, Maggi, curry powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So I'll stir it and make everything combine very well. Then I'll cover it to cook like 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, this is how it look like. Now it's time to introduce my fish. I'm using tuna. You can use cow meat, chicken, any meat or any fish of your choice. But me, I like tuna to do my agushi stew. So I'll cover it like 5 minutes for the tuna to cook. Now the tuna too has cooked already. So now it's time to introduce my agushi. I blend it already. So this is how it look like. So I'll be putting it inside small just like this because I want it to look like egg inside. So I cover it for 2 minutes, then I'll start like stirring it little by little because it's not done cooking yet, so I don't want to scatter it inside. Guys, I'll cover it again like 3 minutes, then I'll come back and come and stir it. So now I'm stirring it to make every part of the agushi to cook very well. Then I'll cover it again. Now it's ready. I'll just taste it and see if the salt is okay. Can you see how it's looking? It's looking yummy already. Have you ever tried this stew before? You can use this to eat rice, plantain, yam, anything of your choice. You can use it to eat it. It's very sweet. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel. Share the video, comment, let me know what you want me to prepare in my next video. Please, thank you so much. Like the video, give your girl a thumbs up. Until I see you in my next video, bye.